Hello my friends and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. The Doppelmayr/Garaventa Monorail MRK500 is a compact, yet high-performance transport system designed for the efficient movement of both people and materials in challenging terrain. Engineered as a modular monorail solution, the system combines structural simplicity with operational flexibility, making it suitable for construction sites, forestry operations, mountainous infrastructure projects, and remote industrial locations. At the core of the MRK500 is its slim rail profile, which allows the track to be installed with minimal ground intervention. The system places no special demands on terrain preparation, enabling installation on steep slopes, uneven ground, or confined corridors where conventional vehicles cannot operate. Its modular design allows rail segments, drive units and carriers to be configured precisely to site-specific requirements, supporting rapid assembly and future expansion. The monorail supports both passenger transport and material logistics, with carriers designed for tools, construction materials, equipment, or personnel. Operation can be manual or remote controlled, providing precise speed and movement control in narrow or hazardous working zones. Multiple drive options are available, including gasoline, diesel, and electric power units, allowing the system to be adapted to environmental regulations, noise constraints, or energy availability. Traction is provided directly through the rail system, ensuring reliable performance on steep gradients and under varying load conditions. The compact rolling stock maintains stability even on tight curves, while safety features are integrated throughout the system to protect operators and passengers. Because the track structure is lightweight and elevated, environmental impact is kept to a minimum, preserving natural terrain and vegetation. The MRK500 represents a highly adaptable transport platform, delivering dependable mobility where traditional access methods are impractical. Its combination of modular construction, flexible power options, and minimal footprint makes it an effective solution for demanding transport tasks in complex landscapes. In the steep mountains of northwest Colombia, material transport to the Buritica gold mine presents a demanding logistical challenge. Located roughly 72 kilometers from Medellin, the mine sits at an elevation of 700 meters above sea level, with a vertical rise of approximately 646 meters from the valley floor. Conventional truck haulage over narrow, winding roads would require long travel times and generate significant exhaust emissions. To address these constraints, a continuous movement bikeable material ropeway was implemented as an alternative transport system. The BGDM ropeway is engineered to move reusable residues from gold extraction, which are later used for underground backfilling. Designed for a capacity of up to 175 tons per hour, the system operates over a line length of 400 meters. It uses a bikeable configuration consisting of one track rope for load-bearing and one haul rope for propulsion, allowing stable operation on steep inclinations and rugged terrain. Buckets are automatically loaded via a chute and feeding conveyor, then detached and reattached within stations through a fully automated handling process. With minimal ground footprint along the route, the ropeway reduces environmental disturbance while maintaining continuous material flow. The system replaces an otherwise energy-intensive trucking operation with a controlled, electrically driven transport solution. At Baritica, Ropeway technology demonstrates how complex topography, elevation differences, and sustainability requirements can be addressed through precise engineering and automated material handling. For the expansion of the Boesendal South concession in South Africa, a reliable bulk material transport solution was required to connect an existing processing plant with new ore bodies across difficult terrain. The route spans approximately 4.8 kilometers in a straight line and overcomes an elevation difference of 530 meters, crossing steep slopes and environmentally sensitive areas where conventional haul roads would be costly and disruptive. To meet these constraints, a RopeCon system was implemented to transport platinum ore at a design capacity of 909 tons per hour. The system combines Ropeway and Conveyor technologies, using a continuous conveyor belt supported and guided by steel track ropes. With a total length of 767 meters, the installation features long spans between towers, reducing ground infrastructure and minimizing surface impact. The RopeCon configuration handles steep inclinations efficiently while maintaining stable material flow. At the unloading station, a two-way chute allows discharge directly to the processing plant or onto a stockpile. Additional features include a belt-turning device for the return belt, an inspection carrier for maintenance access, and clear access along the line. The system provides a controlled, energy-efficient transport solution tailored for challenging mining terrain. In one of the world's most demanding operating environments, Almex Group's global services team successfully completed the splicing and installation of 34 kilometers of Sempertrans conveyor belt on April 20, 2018. The project was delivered for Lafarge Holcim Bangladesh, supporting the longest single-flight conveyor system in the world, transporting limestone from a quarry in India to a cement plant near Sylhet. Elevated 8 meters above ground to withstand severe monsoon conditions, the conveyor required exceptional precision. Almex delivered a full turnkey solution, including 37 belt splices, X-ray inspection of every splice, comprehensive quality assurance, belt flaking, and installation using two 200-horsepower winders and an additional support winder. The joint Almex-Lafarge team completed the project safely and efficiently. At Yancoal's Modular coal mine in New South Wales, Australia, a Liebherr R996B hydraulic excavator undergoes a critical power pack replacement, demonstrating the strength of modular maintenance in large-scale mining operations. Designed for demanding production environments, the R996B allows major components to be removed and installed as complete modules, streamlining complex service tasks and minimizing on-site risk. During the replacement process, the power pack is efficiently disconnected, lifted, and exchanged with precision, reducing exposure time for maintenance crews and limiting the need for intrusive in-situ repairs. This approach dramatically shortens machine downtime, allowing the excavator to return to production faster while maintaining the highest safety standards. By combining robust engineering with service-friendly design, Liebherr's modular philosophy delivers tangible operational benefits, helping mine operators maximize availability, productivity, and long-term asset reliability in challenging coal mining conditions. Blue Marlin is a semi-submersible heavy-lift vessel operated by Dockwise, designed for the transportation of exceptionally large and heavy marine structures. The vessel is approximately 217 meters long and 42 meters wide, with a deadweight capacity of around 76,000 tons. Its reinforced open deck offers more than 11,000 square meters of loading area, capable of supporting extreme point loads through engineered grillage systems. A key feature is the high-capacity ballast system, which allows the deck to be submerged to a depth of roughly 13 meters. During loading operations, ballast tanks are flooded in a controlled sequence, enabling floating cargo to be maneuvered directly over the deck. In this operation, multiple steel barges are transported in a stacked configuration, maximizing deck utilization while maintaining structural and stability limits. Each barge is carefully aligned and secured to prevent load shift during transit. With a service speed of approximately 14 knots and long-range endurance, Blue Marlin provides a highly efficient solution for complex marine transport projects involving heavy, modular, and stacked cargo worldwide. In September 2018, TAK-RAF secured a service contract to replace a pair of roller press roll bodies for a major iron ore customer in Mauritania, where HPGRs play a key role in ore processing. The worn rollers were delivered to TAK-RAF's Lockhammer workshop in early 2019 for reconditioning. Removal of the old roll bodies was achieved using inductive heating, allowing safe detachment through controlled thermal expansion. The shafts were then mechanically reworked, including refurbishment of bearing seats using flame spraying. Newly manufactured roll bodies were precisely machined and thermally expanded before being shrink-fitted onto the refurbished shafts, creating a strong, frictional connection after cooling. A wear protection system consisting of tungsten carbide studs was subsequently applied using a special adhesive. The successful completion of this project strengthened TAK-RAF's service portfolio and reinforced its reputation as a reliable provider of advanced roller press solutions in long-term mining support services worldwide. Lowered more than 40 meters underground, Crossrail's giant tunnel boring machines marked the transition from surface construction to full-scale tunneling. Elizabeth and Victoria, TBMs 3 and 4, are engineered to match London's complex ground conditions, the result of more than a decade of planning and design. Each machine is carefully lifted and guided into the launch shaft, using high-capacity cranes under a tightly controlled lifting plan, where precision and safety are critical. This milestone signals the true start of tunneling operations, following months of shaft construction and preparation at Limo Peninsula. With the first TBM successfully positioned and the second to follow, the project moves into its most demanding phase, driving running tunnels toward Farringdon. Segment production, logistics, and material removal systems are already in motion, aligning engineering, planning, and execution into a single coordinated operation. TAK-RAF delivered a technically advanced material handling system engineered to meet the demanding requirements of CBG's bauxite expansion in Guinea. The scope included detailed redesign and reinforcement of existing infrastructure, highlighted by a steel support structure spanning a 22-meter deep, 44-meter wide pit, capable of withstanding long-term dynamic rail loads. A fully automated rotary train tippler unloads up to 130 rail cars per train without decoupling, feeding high-capacity hoppers, apron feeders, and primary and secondary sizers, producing controlled bauxite sizing below 350 mm and 150 mm respectively. Conveyor networks and transfer towers were expanded and integrated while maintaining uninterrupted production, demonstrating precise engineering coordination and system reliability. In both open cast and underground stone quarrying, productivity depends on precision, stability, and controlled cutting in confined environments. The Fantini GU70 Special was developed specifically to address these operational demands, introducing a new technical approach to underground chainsaw excavation. The GU70 Special is available in two configurations, a fully electric version and a hybrid version combining diesel and electric power. In the electric model, all core movements, including chain rotation, cutting arm rotation, and linear translation, are driven by electric motors. This configuration delivers high torque, consistent cutting speed, and significantly reduced noise levels. A key technical feature is the self-rotating cutting head, which eliminates the need for mechanical locking systems. This reduces repositioning time and improves overall cutting efficiency. Remote control operation allows the machine to be managed from a safe distance, with real-time adjustments made through an integrated control display. Structurally, the GU70 Special incorporates reinforced frames, enlarged stabilizers, and a wider crawler undercarriage to ensure stability during deep, continuous cuts. Designed for full tunnel advancement from a single setup, the machine is also capable of executing vertical and horizontal cuts in open quarries, providing flexibility across multiple extraction scenarios. In a granite quarry, a giant disc saw dominates the extraction face, delivering clean, controlled cuts through solid stone. The massive rotating blade, fitted with industrial diamond segments, penetrates the granite with steady precision, separating large blocks with minimal vibration. This method reduces microfractures, preserving the structural integrity and commercial value of each block. Guided along reinforced rails, the saw maintains exact cutting lines even under extreme loads. Water cooling suppresses dust and heat, ensuring consistent performance during long cutting cycles. The result is high-quality granite blocks, efficiently produced for further processing and architectural use. Deep within the rugged environment of granite quarries, where precision and endurance define productivity, the Huolong 2 Chike's stone cutting machine delivers a new level of controlled power and operational intelligence. Whether using wire saw bottom splitting or manual methods, the 2 Chike's adapt seamlessly to varying geological conditions, keeping production moving without interruption. At the heart of the system are advanced permanent magnet motors, delivering exceptional reliability at rated speeds of up to 11,000 RPM. Paired with a frequency converter, the machine allows precise speed regulation, enabling operators to match cutting performance to the hardness of the granite. The result is faster, cleaner cuts with reduced mechanical stress. Compared to previous 2 Chike's models, productivity is improved by over 10%, while energy consumption is reduced by 10 to 15%. Enhanced stability, smoother operation, and upgraded safety features make the Huolong 2 Chike's a dependable solution for modern, high-efficiency quarry operations. In large grinding mills, liner replacement is a critical task where time, safety, and precision all directly impact plant productivity. The Mezzo-Megaliner represents a major step forward in mill lining technology, combining innovation with practical, on-site benefits. Designed with fewer, larger liner components, the Megaliner system significantly reduces the number of individual lifts required during installation. This streamlined approach cuts mill relining time by approximately 30 to 40% compared with conventional liner systems. At the same time, the need for personnel to work inside the mill is greatly reduced, dramatically improving worker safety. The Mezzo-Megaliner helps operators return mills to production sooner, with lower risk and higher overall efficiency. In global steel production, millions of tons of slag are generated each year as a byproduct. When properly processed, this valuable material can be reused in construction and road building, while residual metals are efficiently returned to the steelmaking process. This closed-loop approach conserves resources and supports a sustainable, future-ready steel industry. Handling molten slag at temperatures up to 1,600 degrees Celsius requires a purpose-built transport solution. Technic Hero developed the Slag Taurus specifically for this extreme task. Engineered for reliability and durability, this slag transporter enables just-in-time removal during ongoing steel plant operations and allows slag to be tipped by quality for downstream processing. Intelligent vehicle control assists in separating slag from residual metals, eliminating additional processing steps. Its compact, agile platform design is ideal for confined plant layouts and narrow travel paths. A robust, articulated steering system delivers steering angles up to 90 degrees, ensuring exceptional maneuverability. Designed for continuous heavy-duty use, the Slag Taurus combines high operational safety, low wear, and long service life, resulting in outstanding reliability and consistently low operating costs. High in Chile's Atacama Desert, one of the driest regions on Earth, the legendary Chuquicamata mine is entering a new era. Located 850 meters above sea level, this century-old copper operation has transitioned from open-pit mining to a fully underground system as surface ore reserves declined. To support this shift, TAKRAF was awarded the contract to deliver the mine's principal ore transportation solution. The result is the world's most powerful belt conveyor system. Spanning 13 kilometers, nearly 7 kilometers of the system run underground, lifting crushed copper ore more than 900 meters vertically from underground storage to the surface. Each conveyor is powered by 20 megawatts, using newly developed ST-10000 belts that redefine the limits of conveyor technology. Total installed drive power reaches an extraordinary 58 megawatts, including 11 5-megawatt gearless synchronous motors. With a design capacity of 11,000 tons per hour and a 66% reduction in carbon dioxide emissions, this system sets a new global benchmark for efficiency, scale, and sustainable mine infrastructure. At a time when commodity markets demand maximum efficiency and resilience, the Sentinel copper operation in Zambia stands as a benchmark for advanced mineral processing. As one of First Quantum Minerals' flagship plants, Sentinel relies on Siemens gearless mill drives to power some of the largest grinding mills in the world. The site operates two 40-foot SAG mills rated at 28 megawatts each, alongside two 28-foot ball mills equipped with 22-megawatt drives, where reliability and efficiency are critical to project economics. The gearless drive concept eliminates mechanical contact, transferring torque purely through magnetic forces. This design minimizes wear, reduces maintenance requirements, and delivers exceptional availability. Advanced torque and speed control, frozen charge protection, and precise mill positioning ensure safe operation and rapid liner changes with minimal downtime. Integrated preventative maintenance programs further protect uptime. By supplying the entire drivetrain from a single source, Siemens reduces interface complexity and operational risk. Combined with seamless integration into the PCS7 control system, these gearless mill drives deliver availability levels approaching 99.5%, supporting higher productivity, lower operating costs, and long-term operational confidence. At the edge of the Arctic, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault stands as humanity's ultimate backup for agriculture. On its 10-year anniversary, a historic milestone was reached as seed sample number 1 million was carried into the vault by Nordgen and depositors from around the world. Years later, new deposits continued this mission, with collections now representing nearly 96% of preserved germplasm. Rare local fruit and vegetable varieties from Europe, along with Nigerian crops such as okra and other indigenous seeds, were sealed deep inside the permafrost. Each deposit strengthens global food security, safeguarding biodiversity for generations yet to come. The Techni KIROW switch tilter is a highly efficient transport and handling solution developed for modern just-in-time switch logistics. It is specifically designed to support safe, fast, and precise switch replacement operations in railway infrastructure projects. With its low platform height, the switch tilter eliminates the need for working at height, significantly improving occupational safety and reducing potential risks on site. The system enables accurate positioning, controlled tilting, and secure transportation of railway switches, even in demanding construction environments. Its robust design ensures reliability and stability throughout the entire handling process. By optimizing workflows, the switch tilter helps minimize track possession times and supports tight project schedules. When operating in combination with the multitasker and track layer, the switch tilter forms a perfectly coordinated system that delivers unmatched quality, speed, and safety during switch renewal. This integrated approach allows contractors to achieve higher productivity while maintaining strict safety standards. Overall, the Techni KIROW switch tilter represents an innovative and dependable solution that sets new benchmarks for efficiency, safety, and performance in modern railway switch logistics and renewal projects. Moving a crown-mounted compensator of this scale is a logistical operation that demands absolute precision and control. The CMC measures 12 meters in length, 9.8 meters in width, and rises 18.1 meters high, with a standalone weight of 230 tons. Once coupled with the push and pull truck configuration, the total transport assembly stretches to 50 meters long, nearly 10 meters wide, and over 19 meters high, bringing the combined weight to an imposing 412 tons. Every meter of movement is carefully planned, from load distribution and axle configuration to steering angles and ground-bearing capacity. This operation highlights the expertise required to safely relocate oversized offshore equipment, where engineering, coordination, and execution must align flawlessly to deliver success. In rail operations, safety is paramount. But when accidents occur, speed and precision decide how quickly networks recover. The Technic Hero Multitasker is purpose-built for railway accident recovery, delivering unmatched lifting performance exactly where it is needed. Designed as a true rail crane, it can reach incident sites directly on the tracks at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, even in remote areas without road access. With a maximum lifting capacity of 250 tons and a load moment of up to two 800-ton meters, the multitasker can recover almost any locomotive or railcar in service today. Its telescopic boom enables precise heavy lifting at large radii, a critical advantage when wreckage lies on adjacent tracks or in confined corridors. Advanced outrigger configurations, automatic leveling, and the ability to travel with loads ensure safe operation on curves, gradients, and uneven track conditions. Compact, highly maneuverable, and rapidly deployable, the multitasker minimizes line closures, reduces economic losses, and restores rail traffic quickly, setting a global benchmark in railway emergency response. Techcraft's railcar dumper, or wagon tippler, technology plays a critical role in high-capacity bulk material handling, forming the backbone of a major Canadian bulk terminal expansion. The automated process begins with the indexer arm lowering as wheel grippers engage, precisely positioning two wagons into the single tipplers. Movable side pads secure the cars before the tippler executes a controlled forward rotation to discharge material, followed by a smooth return cycle. Advanced gap finding and indexing logic ensures seamless, repeatable operation, minimizing wear, maximizing availability, and delivering reliable performance for demanding bulk terminal logistics. Engineered for continuous, high-throughput operation, the system delivers a maximum handling capacity of up to 7,000 tons per hour with a rapid cycle time of just 110 seconds. Trains of up to 152 railcars can be unloaded efficiently and safely without decoupling. Techcraft's in-pit crushing and conveying, or IPCC, system in Kazakhstan demonstrates how modern surface mining can move beyond heavy reliance on truck haulage. While conventional haul trucks offer flexibility, they can account for up to 60% of total mining costs, along with high fuel consumption, emissions, and safety exposure. IPCC provides a robust alternative, cutting truck movements to a minimum while improving operational resilience, cost efficiency, and environmental performance. For this overburden removal project in Kazakhstan, Techcraft delivered a fully integrated IPCC solution designed for continuous, high-capacity operation. The system achieves a throughput of up to 8,500 tons per hour across an overall conveying length of 500 meters. It includes two crushing stations, one of which has already been retrofitted with a Techcraft sizer, with evaluation underway for upgrading the second station as well. Material is transferred via 4 conveyors to a tripper car, which distributes the flow efficiently to a dedicated spreader. By combining in-pit crushing with continuous conveying, the system significantly reduces diesel consumption, lowers operating costs, and enhances workplace safety. The result is a scalable, future-ready material handling solution tailored for large-scale mining operations. At Zinkgruvan Mining in Scandinavia, A record-breaking raise boring project is setting new benchmarks for underground excavation. Supporting contractor DrillCon, the operation uses a 4.1-meter reamer to drill a 700-meter deep ventilation shaft at one of Europe's longest-running mines, active since 1857. Central to this success is Sandvik's latest raise boring technology, including a PX pilot bit with friction bearing and power carbide, delivering exceptional wear resistance and durability. The result is a 69% increase in pilot bit drilling distance and dramatically reduced downtime. A lightweight CRH-12E reaming head, new generation cutters, and highly skilled operators ensured smooth, continuous progress. Through close collaboration, the project exceeded expectations, achieving a remarkable 100% performance improvement and marking a major milestone in Scandinavian mining engineering. A massive industrial tank is carefully transported using a specialized heavy-haul truck engineered for extreme loads. Designed with multi-axle configurations and hydraulic suspension, the vehicle evenly distributes weight to maintain stability throughout the journey. Every movement is precisely planned, from route surveys and bridge clearances to turning radii and ground-bearing capacity. Escort vehicles guide the convoy, ensuring safety and traffic control at every stage. Slow, controlled acceleration and braking protect both the cargo and the transport system. This operation highlights the precision, coordination, and engineering expertise required to move oversized industrial equipment safely and efficiently. Engineered for high-output surface drilling, the Sandvik DR410i rotary blast hole drill delivers productivity without compromise. Designed for automation readiness, the machine supports hole diameters from 152 to 251 millimeters and is compatible with both 6-inch and 8-inch hammers, providing flexibility across a wide range of mining applications. A standard mast offers a first pass of 10 meters, while the extended mast increases first pass capability to 14 meters, with maximum drilling depths reaching up to 46.6 meters. At the core of the DR410i is the Sandvik Intelligent Control System Architecture, or SICA, enabling precise drilling control, data integration, and future automation upgrades. Robust electrical harnesses and optimized hydraulic piping enhance reliability, reduce maintenance downtime, and ensure consistent performance in demanding production environments. A massive Liebherr LR 11350 crawler crane is transported in sections using two heavy-duty tractor trucks. Major components including boom sections, crawler tracks, and counterweights are secured on multi-axle trailers. Careful route planning, controlled speeds, and coordinated logistics ensure safe and efficient delivery of this ultra-heavy lifting machine. Komatsu delivers integrated solutions designed to maximize industrial minerals production through power, precision, and automation. At the core is the 12HM46 heavy-duty miner, purpose-built for demanding applications, featuring a 6-meter cutting height, retractable cutting drum, and 910 kilowatts of installed power. Its robust 154-ton design ensures stability under high cutting forces, while modular construction simplifies underground transport. Battery haulers provide flexible, emission-free haulage, supported by lithium-ion technology for lower total cost of ownership. Continuous haulage, efficient sizing and crushing, and advanced automation systems connect every machine, driving higher productivity, improved safety, and sustainable data-driven performance across the entire operation. The CAT 797F is one of the largest and most powerful mining haul trucks ever built, engineered for maximum productivity in ultra-class mining operations. Powered by a massive diesel engine delivering exceptional torque, it carries payloads exceeding 400 tons with remarkable stability. Advanced braking, traction control, and suspension systems ensure safe operation in harsh, high-load environments. Designed for reliability and efficiency, the 797F plays a critical role in moving vast volumes of material in the world's largest open-pit mines. HRC 3000 is the world's largest high-pressure grinding roll, engineered to meet extreme capacity and energy efficiency demands. Designed for Freeport-McMoRan's Morenci expansion, the unit processes up to 63,500 metric tons per day through a single machine. Its patented arch frame connects both bearings, allowing controlled pivoting to absorb unbalanced loads while maintaining precise roll alignment. This design eliminates skew-related downtime and enhances availability. The flange tire system improves material intake, distributes pressure evenly, extends tire life, and delivers higher crushing efficiency across open and closed circuit applications. Komatsu Autonomous Haulage System is engineered as a tightly controlled mining operation, where automation minimizes variability and stabilizes production performance. The system coordinates autonomous trucks with high precision, optimizing haul cycles, speed control, and traffic management. Proven ultra-class haul trucks deliver long-term mechanical reliability, often exceeding 10 years of continuous operation. By removing operators from active haulage zones, AHS significantly reduces safety exposure. Supported by Komatsu's deep operational experience, the system is implemented through structured planning, integration, and optimization to ensure consistent productivity, lower operating costs, and sustainable autonomous mine performance. Komatsu Mining Hybrid Diesel LHDs introduced the Joy 18HD and 22HD, the first electric drive load haul dump machines powered by the patented SR hybrid drive system. This system converts diesel energy into electric power for wheel motors, while capturing braking energy in a kinetic energy storage unit. Stored energy is redeployed during acceleration, combining with diesel power to deliver performance equivalent to a boosted 950 horsepower output. The result is faster acceleration, higher brakeout force, and superior rim pull with up to 30% lower fuel consumption. In stop-and-go block cave operations, this can increase material moved by up to 20%. Reduced heat and diesel emissions lower ventilation demand, improving underground safety. Electric drive simplicity enhances reliability, minimizes maintenance, and ensures smooth fatigue-reducing operation with the lowest total cost of ownership in its class. In 2025, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault receives over 14,000 new seed samples, strengthening its role as a global backup for food security. This landmark deposit preserves crop diversity, cultural knowledge, and resilience for future generations worldwide. The Tesmec 1375 bucket wheel is engineered for high-output trenching in soft to medium soil conditions. Its rotating bucket wheel enables continuous excavation, delivering stable trench geometry and consistent depth control. Material is efficiently discharged through an integrated conveyor system, ensuring clean spoil management and reduced rehandling. The machine's balanced design minimizes ground disturbance while maintaining high advance rates, making it well-suited for long-distance pipeline corridors, cable installations, and large-scale utility infrastructure projects. You can't get much more remote than Svalbard. Located near Longyearbyen, halfway between mainland Norway and the North Pole, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault safeguards backup copies of the world's crop diversity. Built 130 meters inside a frozen mountain, the vault preserves more than 865,000 seed varieties from across the globe. Designed as the ultimate agricultural insurance policy, it protects vital seeds from war, climate change, and disaster, ensuring global food security for generations to come. A 30 by 100-foot barge weighing 210 tons was transferred from dry dock into the shipyard at Kingston, New York, for extensive repairs. The operation used a Buckingham power dolly system, allowing controlled load distribution, precise maneuvering, and smooth relocation of the heavy structure, with minimal stress on equipment and dock infrastructure. Built by Caterpillar in Lunen, Germany, this facility is a global center of excellence for underground longwall mining and hard rock cutting products. Lunen is home to Caterpillar's longwall automation engineering teams, where advanced design, software development, and MineStar detecting command components are created to improve safety and productivity at the mine face. It is also where innovative hard rock cutting solutions, such as the CAT-ROCK straight system, rock flow system, and activated undercutting technology were developed. With a proud heritage of integrity, excellence, teamwork, and sustainability, Lunen continues to design and manufacture world-class mining products at the lowest cost per ton. The historic Jewish synagogue in Washington, D.C. stands as a powerful symbol of the city's religious and cultural heritage. Originally built in the late 19th century, it was the first Jewish synagogue in the nation's capital and has witnessed generations of community life and historical change. The distinctive triple brick structure is notable not only for its architecture, but also for its remarkable journey through time. The building was first relocated in 1969 to protect it from demolition as urban development reshaped the area. Decades later, in 2016, Wolf House movers carefully moved the synagogue another 50 feet to a temporary storage location. This complex operation was necessary to allow for the construction of a nearby highway entrance ramp and to prepare a permanent site suitable for long-term preservation. In early January 2019, the synagogue completed its final move to its new location, where it was precisely positioned above a newly constructed parking garage. This final relocation marked an important milestone, ensuring the building's survival in a modern urban setting. Today, the synagogue is undergoing restoration and will be reborn as a Jewish museum, preserving its history while educating future generations about Jewish life, faith, and contributions in Washington, D.C. The journey of a Liebherr R9400 from port to production is a carefully choreographed operation that highlights the scale, precision, and engineering discipline behind modern mining equipment deployment. This particular machine was delivered for BGC contracting at the Idemitsu Bogabri coal mine in New South Wales, Australia, beginning its voyage at Port Kembla, where the major components arrived by sea. From the port, the R9400 was transported to Liebherr, Australia's Mount Thorley branch, where partial assembly was carried out in a controlled workshop environment. Key structural, hydraulic, and powertrain modules were installed and tested, ensuring quality assurance before the excavator undertook its final overland journey to Bogabri. This staged assembly strategy minimizes transport complexity while reducing on-site construction time at the mine. Once on location, the remaining assembly phases were completed with the support of heavy lifting equipment, specialized tooling, and experienced Liebherr technicians. Each step was executed according to strict safety and quality standards, aligning the machine with the performance requirements of large-scale coal production. Upon completion, the R9400 joined another identical unit already operating at the site, strengthening fleet consistency and maintenance efficiency. This transport and assembly process underscores Liebherr's modular design philosophy, enabling rapid commissioning, reduced downtime, and a seamless transition from delivery to full operational readiness in one of Australia's demanding mining environments. The Liebherr LR1500 crawler crane is a heavy lift solution engineered to deliver high performance, efficient transport, and safe, streamlined operation across a wide range of difficult applications. Designed with a clear focus on productivity and flexibility, the LR1500 combines a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons with an intelligent overall concept that simplifies logistics, assembly, and on-site operation. One of the defining strengths of the LR1500 is its economical transport concept. Despite its impressive lifting capability, the crane can be transported in compact, manageable units. The maximum transport weight is limited to 46.7 tons, with a transport width of just 3 meters. This allows the crane to be mobilized using standard heavy-haul transport equipment, reducing the need for special permits and minimizing mobilization costs. Faster and simpler transport directly translates into reduced downtime between projects. The superstructure is built around Liebherr's proven SA frame design, providing high structural rigidity and long-term durability. Permanently reeved winches are integrated into the design, significantly reducing assembly time and eliminating complex reeving procedures on site. Winch I functions as the main hoist, while Winch 2 serves as the auxiliary hoist, enabling efficient handling of loads and rigging equipment. An additional winch is included for derrick applications, expanding the crane's operating envelope for long-reach and heavy-duty lifts. Ballast handling on the LR1500 is engineered for simplicity, safety, and efficiency. The central ballast system consists of only 4 slabs, reducing handling complexity and crane setup time. The upper ballast slab also serves as an access platform, improving ergonomics and safety during assembly and maintenance work. Suspended ballast can be configured with a variable radius between 9 and 16 meters, allowing precise adaptation to different lifting scenarios. This flexibility ensures optimal load distribution and stability under varying operating conditions. For extended reach and heavy lifting, the LR1500 can be equipped with a ballast wagon. The ballast wagon features a variable radius from 12 to 16 meters and supports both lifting and driving modes. Parallel driving capability allows the crane to move smoothly while maintaining stability, even when operating with derrick ballast. This feature is especially valuable on large construction sites where repositioning under load is required. The boom system offers a wide range of combinations, enabling the crane to be configured for diverse applications, from infrastructure projects to industrial plant construction and energy sector installations. Additional guying using high-strength aramid rope enhances stability and load control, particularly in long boom and derrick configurations where precision is critical. The crawler undercarriage is compact yet extremely robust, featuring a four-fold crawler drive system. This design ensures excellent traction, smooth maneuverability, and reliable performance on uneven or challenging ground conditions. Combined with Liebherr's advanced safety systems, the LR1500 provides controlled, confident operation throughout all phases of lifting. Overall, the Liebherr LR1500 crawler crane delivers a balanced combination of lifting power, transport efficiency, flexible configurations, and proven reliability. It is a purpose-built heavy lift machine designed to meet the demands of modern construction projects while reducing setup time, improving safety, and maximizing operational efficiency.